Is your Lexus GX dropping your Apple CarPlay connection mid-drive? Let's troubleshoot the most common culprits in under 3 minutes. Data shows that up to 80% of connectivity glitches are actually related to simple hardware or software mismatches. Before you visit the dealership, run through these 3 diagnostic steps to isolate the problem. Start by swapping your cable, clearing the device cache in your settings, and ensuring your iPhone is running the latest iOS update. Cheap or damaged cables often struggle to maintain the high data rate required for a stable CarPlay session. Sometimes the Lexus infotainment system just needs a hard reset or a clean slate by removing old, unused Bluetooth profiles. If these basic steps fail, you might be looking at a bad port or a deeper firmware issue that requires professional repair. As you can see, the vast majority of these issues are resolved just by changing the cable, saving you a trip to the dealer. For advanced troubleshooting, physically inspect the USB port for debris and test your vehicle with a different iPhone to isolate the device. Keep a small toolkit in your glove box with compressed air and a spare high-quality cable to troubleshoot on the go. Remember, don't let a bad cable ruin your road trip. Start with the basics before paying a diagnostic fee. If these steps fixed your connection, hit like and subscribe for more Lexus GX maintenance tips.